Hey guys and girls, welcome to my channel Smart Swaggy. I'm Aditya. I hope that you all are good and safe. In today's video, I will be discussing about an entrance examination. Many of my friends wanted to pursue oceanography, marine engineering and some other marine related courses after they complete their 12th grade. But all of them ended up taking some random engineering courses and some other degree courses. The problem with these marine aspirants is that they lack proper guidance and awareness. This video will be very much useful for those students who wants to pursue marine engineering or some other marine related courses, or to those students who wants to make a career in marine field. If you are a marine aspirant, then do watch this video till the end. In this video, I will be discussing about IMU CET examination, which is Indian Maritime University Common Entrance Test. Without further wasting any time, now let's get started. IMU CET, which is Indian Maritime University Common Entrance Test, is a national level entrance examination conducted once in every year during the month of May or June. IMU, which is Indian Maritime University, is located at its headquarters is located at Chennai and various regional campuses are located at Cochin, Visakhapatnam, Kolkata and Mumbai. Candidates who have cleared this IMU CET examination can take up courses like BSc, BTech, MSc, MTech and MBA courses in marine field. Candidates who are interested to study their higher education in this marine field are requested to use this opportunity. In this video, I will be discussing about the undergraduate level IMU CET examination. Now let us discuss about the eligibility criteria to appear in this examination. Candidates belonging to general category should be of minimum 17 years and maximum age limit is 25 years. Academic qualifications. Candidates should have at least secured 60% of marks in their physics, chemistry and maths subjects in class 12 and should have at least secured 50% of marks in their English subject in class 12. The third criteria is medical fitness. Candidates applying for marine engineering will have to issue a medical certificate from doctors who are approved by Director General of Shipping. Candidates applying for BTech Naval Architecture and Ocean Engineering and some marine BSc courses will have to issue a physical fitness certificate from registered medical doctors. The fourth and the last criteria is eyesight. Candidates should have perfect eyesight without any defects. There are some other eyesight conditions and criteria. I have attached those conditions and criteria in the description box below. You can check it out there. Moving on to the exam pattern and the marking scheme of this examination. The mode of this examination is computer based. The duration of this exam is 3 hours. This exam question paper has 6 sections, which are General Aptitude, General Knowledge, English, Physics, Chemistry and Maths. General Aptitude, General Knowledge, English and Chemistry has 25 questions each. Physics and Maths has 50 questions each. So there are 200 questions in total. Each question carries 1 mark, so the total marks of this examination is 200 marks. Fortunately, this exam has no negative marks. To crack English section, you must have a sound knowledge in English grammar like synonyms, antonyms, tenses, phrasal verbs, idioms, etc. So buy some English grammar book and read it thoroughly. Moving on to general aptitude part. To crack this general aptitude part, better you buy some general aptitude preparatory books because you can't predict the type of questions which comes in this general aptitude part. Moving on to general knowledge part. To crack this general knowledge part, you should at least have some amount of knowledge in general knowledge, current affairs, etc. So make sure you read daily newspapers. Make reading newspapers a habit. You can also buy some general knowledge preparatory books to prepare for this general knowledge part. Moving on to Physics, Chemistry and Maths section. To crack this section, you can refer your 11th and 12th NCERT books. Basic NCERT books will do. So try to read 11th and 12th NCERT books thoroughly. I hope that you all find this video very useful. IMU CET is the only exam which you can write to study marine related courses in India because Indian Maritime University is the only university which offers marine related courses. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading new educational videos. And never forget, you are brilliant.